Racing just started looking for a blistering speed at the start of the race. And there's the speed I'm talking about, courtesy of Modern Love. Right here, right now, we saw the outside. The next on line is getting better. Boss Benji, Charm Offensive comes next, while Taxi is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Modern Love, followed closely by Getting Better in second. Right here, right now, is racing in third, and in fourth comes Boss Benji. Toxic is racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Modern Love, Getting Better. Right here, right now, Boss Benji, Charm Offensive, while Taxi is still racing in less. Back to the leader, still 2 and 3 keep on matching their strides together. Modern Love getting better. Then here comes right here, right now. Now trying to get closer in third. Charm Offensive is down in fourth. Then comes Boss Benji. Well, Taxi is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Modern Love, followed by right here, right now, Getting Better. Charm Offensive is racing in fourth. We have Modern Love by about 2 lengths. Right here, right now in second, Getting Better. Charm Offensive is racing in fourth, and nearing the finish line from the stable of Miss Melaine Habla. Modern Love, second, right here, right now, Getting Better, Charm Offensive, Taxi.
Número 3, Modern Love, bandarang tapos. Ang official winner written by J.D. Guse, Don Masi segundo ron. Right here, right now, Getting Better, 4, Charm Offensive. Panarin natin, instant replay nito ang ating race number 5.